तो दोस्तों रिज्यूम करते हैं। लैपटॉप में चार्जिंग कम थी और लाइट नहीं थी, इस वजह से स्टॉप किया था। तो ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है। वैल्यू: चेयर, टेबल, बेड, अलमीरा, ए बी। चेयर, टेबल, बेड, अलमीरा, ए बी। 1500, 600, 100, 1200, 200, 300, 200। Number of chairs sold: A is what percent of total of chairs sold by both? 27. 55.55. Difference between total tables sold and total number of paid sold. Table, bed, 8, 550, 250. Average cost of chair is 300. What is the total value of chairs? 27, 81. If the next year sale of beds store at B is falls by 10%, ठीक है, and A increases by 20%, change 570, 550, 20. Revenue generated sales table both 1 crore, ठीक है. What is the value of sales tables from B? 125 into 50. ठीक है. ए बी together can complete 40% of work in 2 by 5, 75. And Akriti alone can complete work in 150 days. ठीक है. 50 days, 50 days, ठीक है. सम ऑफ 854 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन पी क्यू आर से रनिंग तकनीक 8 8. ठीक है. डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्यू आर 2 4, तो 216. Average of AB and 36 is 25, 75, 36, 9, 39 A plus B. Average of 28 and B 40, 12, B is equal to 12. ठीक है. 7, 27 A. Anurag sold TV at 25500 at profit of, ठीक है, after giving discount of 20. CP, SP discount, EMP. ठीक है. 4:3, 8. ठीक है. सोल्ड. ठीक है, सोल्ड ना 25500. ठीक है. 18, 24, 15. 4250. If you offers two successive discount of 5 by 4, 20:17. ठीक है. Find the profit or loss earned by Arun, EMP. 68. Ratio of AB after 4 years 7:9. Ratio of AB 8 years ago 2:3. आफ्टर 4 ईयर 7:9. ठीक है, 2×4 = 12 1 2 4 6. ठीक है, 4 3 4. द एज ऑफ C is 5 year more than A. 16 12 24 20. ठीक है, एज ऑफ C is 5 year more than A. 29. फाइंड द प्रेजेंट ऑफ C. 29. 28. पासिंग मार्क ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इज 33% ऑफ मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. ठीक है, and Nita got 150 marks and failed by 48 marks. 50 plus 48 198. ठीक है, 6x is equal to 600. Simple interest 8.7. विमल वीना वानी 12,000. वीमा इन्वेस्टेड 16,000 मोर देन वीना. ये नहीं होगा. टाइम टेकन बाय बोट टू और D किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम डाउन स्ट्रीम. ठीक है, अभी हो तो नहीं पाएगा ये क्वेश्चन, थोड़े और हो सकते थे क्वेश्चन, बट बीच में थोड़ा चार्जिंग का इशू था, उस पर ध्यान जा रहा था ज़्यादा, तो इस वजह से थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हुई. बट ठीक है, अभी रीजनिंग में कवर करना पड़ेगा इसे. तो रीजनिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों. एनालिसिस बाद में करेंगे, इसे बड़ा दिख रहा है, ये भी बाद में करेंगे, इसे भी बाद में करेंगे. 6 person triangular table. Prepare 2 at each corner and face outside center. And face outside center while 3 person in the middle face inside. ठीक है, 3 4 5 6 and face outside corner outside. ठीक है, while 3 person BCD sit in the middle. BCD middle face inside. ठीक है, he does not sit with OQ. Z sits second to the right of M. M who is an immediate neighbor of D. C sits opposite to J. Q sit third to the left of D. M does not sit with JA. Okay. D Q BC D MZ MZ CJ Z MZ. कुछ अलग है क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा सा बाद में करेंगे उसे, पहले मिसलेनियस कर लेता हूँ. only few tree are bridge only few tree are bridge only few winds are bridge only few winds are bridge. All winds being trees a possibility. Some breeze are not winds, some breeze are not winds. Only one. Only few games are rooms. Only few rooms are sports. At least some sports are game. All game being sport is a possibility. All game being sport only two. Only a few grids are mesh. Only a few grids are mesh. All mesh are grills. At least some grids are grill. All grill being grid is a possibility. All grill being grid is a possibility. Both. No post is roast. Only a few post is host. All host being roast is a possibility. All host being roast is a possibility. Some roast is host. Neither. Seven people seated in linear row. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some of them were facing north while Page is facing south. G is seated at one of the end. F is seated third to the left of G. Only one person seated between F and A. A is seated immediate right of D. D is facing south. C is seated immediate left of T and second to the right of B. At least 3 people were facing north. Minimum 3 north. A is not a neighbor of G. ठीक है. F A. F A. ठीक है. D A. ठीक है. F A. D A. साउथ. B C. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. F A. D A. B C. D A. B C. T लेफ्ट. इमीडिएट लेफ्ट C. ठीक है. D साउथ. A G मिनिमम 3 नॉर्थ ना. 1 2 3 north. Among the following facing north is not facing north. GT, BD. Only 2. We seated 4 to the right of B. G. How many people seated to the right of C? 4. How many people seated between A and G? 1 2 3 4. 56. Rank of PL is 36 from bottom. PLE P 36. Rank of Yogita 13 from top. Yogita 13 from top. 7 student rank between PLE and Nilesh. Nilesh. What is rank of Nilesh from top? 56 ना टोटल. 13. ठीक है. Six person are working publishing different designation. ठीक है. The senior most EM GDCE illustrator publisher copywriter Jivika was immediately senior to Manara, but not as copy editor. Two-person designated between Jivika and Kiara. Manara is junior to Kiara. Ishana were junior to Nakul, but not as a copy editor. Ishana is not junior most. Nakul is not senior to Kiara. Nakul is junior to Kiara. ठीक है. J K M N I N I J M K N I. ठीक है. Among the following senior most, Lokesh. How many person senior to Nakul? 2. So the following 2. Manara is designated junior most. 2. Nakul is copy editor. 2. Lokesh immediately junior to Ishana. Only 1 and 2. Designation of Kiara is GD. Number of designated senior to Kiara is same as junior to J. 41937865 5678 9 10 2 3 4 5 6 8 7 6 5 4 3. ठीक है. 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 more than 6. In a building having 4 floors, bottommost is 1 4 3 2 1. 2 flats only. ठीक है. Flats only. Each one different flat except 2 person among them live on same flat. 9 8. ठीक है. One flat is to the next opponent. R lives on floor immediately below M. There is one floor between the one on which R and S live. P and N's flat on same floor. Which is not on top floor. The floor on which 3 person live is third floor. K is towards the east of M. P and R do not live on same floor. Different floor. P lives floor below T. R doesn't share flat with any. Only R. N lives on flat immediately above S flat. R lives on flat immediately. R is flat is not immediately above T. ठीक है. T and S. R. Yes, R. Yes, R. RM. No. T. N. Yes, R. RM. MK. K. PR. Different floor. TP. ठीक है. Only R. ओके. दोनों जाना. ठीक है. ओके. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. TPNS. ओके. UOPTM. UOPTM. NT. ठीक है. TN. TP. NS. ESR. MKR over MK. NDR. UO. NS. UOPTM. UOPTM. On which floor R lives? Third floor. If the following live on same flat. AO. Who among the following lives on bottommost TSP? Immediately below case flat. UO. Sit around a triangular table in a pair of two. While three persons sit in the middle facing inside. AC does not sit with OQ. Z sits second to the right of M. M is an immediate neighbor of D. C does not sit opposite to J. Q sit third to the left of D. M does not sit with JA. ठीक है. L 3 1 BCD middle. D Q. Q ठीक है. BC CJ. MZD. MZCJ. ठीक है. ये सब ये बात होती है. who sit third to the left of O, B exactly between CD, MO, Z sit with Q, B sits Q, B sits Q immediate right, M sits with O. Okay, how many symbols are there which are immediately preceded by letter? All the numbers are dropped. Which element will be 4 to the right of? एक, दो, तीन, चार. How many numbers between ELF? एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7. Symbols are there which are immediately preceded by letter. एक, दो, तीन. थोड़ा यार रीजनिंग और अच्छा हो सकता था. तो दोस्तों इस मॉक टेस्ट में, एक मिनट दोस्तों, इस मॉक टेस्ट में मेरा स्कोर बना है. इंग्लिश में मैंने 25 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किए थे. इसमें से मेरे 3 क्वेश्चन गलत हुए, 22 सही रहे. तो इंग्लिश में 21.25 स्कोर रहा. क्वांट में 30 किए थे, इसमें एक क्वेश्चन मेरा गलत हुआ, तो क्वांट में 28.75 स्कोर रहा. रीजनिंग में 27 अटेम्प्ट किए थे, इसमें 2 गलत हुए, तो रीजनिंग में 24.50 स्कोर बना. ओवरऑल स्कोर बना है 74.50. तो थोड़ा और हो सकता था, 4-5 मार्क्स और बनने चाहिए थे. क्वांट में 2 मार्क्स और होने चाहिए थे. रीजनिंग का थोड़ा सा लेवल ज़्यादा था, बट ठीक है दोस्तों. आप भी अपना स्कोर कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू.